Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I'll be sharing with you how to make this lovely party jollof rice, guys, with chicken. So in here we have our pepper, our shombo, guys, and our garlic with onions and thyme, fresh thyme, guys. After that, you have to roast it for a little, then you blend your pepper, add in your seasoning, your salt, guys, and all the ingredients you'll be needing for the recipe. Then you set it aside and spice up your chicken, guys. So after that, you have to oil your pan, put in your onions, your tomato paste, guys, before you go in with your blended fresh tomato with pepper, guys. Make sure to fry it in the medium heat. Then you add in your bay leaf, your salt, guys, and your water. After that, you have to go in with your rice. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, share, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. You'll be the first person to get notification. Thank you so much, guys.